GA here. My husband's family lives in Ohio, so we decided to visit our 1-year-old nephew. And my initial impression about Midwestern states were that they were quiet, with nothing exciting and laid back. To my surprise, we actually did a lot of fun things together while we were visiting. My sister-in-law booked a historic cruise for us for our family day out.
Yeah, I got you! Got you! How are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Okay, thank you.
12. So we that north is 7 miles.
Baby Ian and we stuffed our face with delicious food. We had more than enough time to eat as much as we wanted. Ed tried really hard to be a good uncle. Ian, don't cry.
Okay, you ate Uncle Ed. All right, okay.
Though his efforts didn't pay off. Newport Aquarium gave me an impression that it's strategically designed for young children. It not only was enough to catch baby Ian's eyes, but also had great educational values. We couldn't miss out on a little fun at the South Lane station. Columbus Zoo was the biggest zoo I've ever seen. It not only had a variety of animals, but also offered interesting point of views from many different angles. That was a fish tank for the bears to jump in from above to catch fish whenever they are hungry. I guess none of them were hungry then. For the first time, I thought Ohio could be a good place to raise a kid. I want to go to Africa.
You want to go to Africa still?
It was a great time for the grown-ups as well as for the baby. However, my favorite experience was when we made a fire in my sister-in-law's backyard. We had some serious work to do before we could have a bonfire.
Too much work. Here, go like this. This one might be hard to do, but
Too much work?
yeah, so you're making two toes, like you let the weight of the axe do all the work. So there's no reason to like lift it like this. So just do this, and then you come straight down.
Oh.
This one's
Oh,
That was not easy.
dang.
it's hard. This has been drying out, so if it's wet, it like acts like this.
The thing's hard. I'm making a pretty good dent on
Yeah,
it.
well done.
Ooh. I see some dent. Yay!
I want another big one now. Now I feel like less of a man.
Woo!
Oh, it's fantastic.
Whoa! You proved yourself! Oh! Oh!
I feel pretty manly doing it.
That's pretty good.
Finally, we could enjoy the fire. I melted a marshmallow to make it into a s'mores. It was the taste of heaven. Sammy loves staying warm, so I'm pretty sure he felt like heaven as well. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if there is any request regarding my future video subjects, please comment below.